They look pretty fat. You guys look pretty well fed. Come on, ducks, get in there. You can get it. Oh, hey, don't be nasty. I caught you on film. Say you're sorry. So here we are at the Anderson Japanese Gardens. We had to park a long way away, and it's incredible, but this place is cranking. So we're gonna see what it's like when we get up here.
Everybody in Illinois is here.
Yeah, it's the place to be. We're Bob and Barb. We've lived by the rules all of our lives, but in 2020, we threw that rule book out the window. We sold our home and moved full-time into an RV with our cat Amelia, and from now on, we will be living life our way. Don't you want to come travel in our world? So it's $22 to get in, $11 an adult.
That's because I got another year and I get $1 off.
Yeah. It's a self-guided tour.
Oh, yeah.
This is what we need. Yeah. So you cannot bring any tripods in here, so I've got my little DJI in my hand.
Is that potable or non-potable?
I don't know.
Coming off the gutter.
Pretty good. Oh, here, Bob. You're in charge of the self-guided tour. I don't feel relaxed in the Japanese garden when the cops are coming to get Bob. Hands up, face down. Don't tase me, bro. Don't tase me. So definitely this is a park walk for everyone. Handicap accessible, the elderly, the babies. They have military discounts on the map if it explains any of this. I
don't see any numbers coordinate with the map yet. See, we normally don't have any numbers on the route. But now we got map numbers, but no numbers on the stuff. The numbers you see are supposed to match up with numbers on the map.
So we just started over there. We haven't gone very far yet. Oh, step down in gravel. So make the circle and come back out, I guess. Learn about Anderson Japanese Gardens is that it's rated as one of North America's highest quality Japanese gardens. It's actually 12 acres of landscape. HetteshWorld. Even with numbers on a map, but no numbers around. We don't know what's going on. So we're just gonna enjoy the beauty and make up our own decisions about it. Ooh, and we're coming to a bridge. I like bridges. Refers to the black finial atop each post. They want you to kind of think about the cares and problems you have and let them go here. You take the high road and I'll take the low road. And I'll be in the Asian garden before you. Oh, that is beautiful. Stairs. Look where you're going, Barb, not at what is around you. Stairs. This is kind of neat.
You're getting fed.
Is that a fish? That's a fish there. It's weird that they're like got spots of orange. They are scaring me.
Come here, buddy.
They're smart. They know what real food is.
Carp. I guess they would consider them koi.
Koi. Splash! Man, you would be attacked by them if you landed in there, I would think.
Come here. Come here. Grab your butt.
Here comes one that's not afraid.
There's your weeping willow, Barbie.
Oh, yeah. I am the weeping willow tree.
Oh, that one's, he's flying through there. One out there. Man, you've been eating good, dude. You've been eating good in the neighborhood.
Oh my God, I thought it and you said it.
Drop those in.
Yeah, I think we've only just begun. We finally got away from the road. It's not too bad today. It's about, what, 70 something? Come with me, see what we see today. So it says this is the guest house. Oh, I want to go inside.
Pretty, isn't it?
Typical style house back in the 16th century. The interior and the exterior were meant to be a sense of quiet and elegance. Still part of the house on the side. No, let me out! A very basic understanding of any garden of reflection is a pathway that was created that leads you into different elements that can open your mind and free your spirit. It is getting a little bit warmer. Not that we're going to complain where we were dying last week. A little bit of eyeball sweaty. Big weeping willow. So it's about, you said it was about what you expected?
Yeah. I mean, it's nice.
Yeah, I
Nice,
enjoyed
cool
it.
day.
I think I expected a little more because that other one we went on a long time ago, but
Very pretty.
we'd recommend it. The Sheboygan Waterfalls